Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Orajel Teething Pain Medicine. This is the cherry flavored one, and this is just oral pain reliever for teething. It just tells you like Church and Dwight Co. Incorporated, Princeton, New Jersey at the top, the zip code. Instantly relieves teething pain. And I just want to flip it over for you guys. And just show you, it just gives you some allergy alerts, the use of it, just all of the important things on the back that you would need to know. The directions and everything that goes along with it. I just want to say right here, guys, I ended up putting an accidental hole in this teething product, so I don't even have to open the bottle and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And have had this product for a while, so it's a little wear and tear. I haven't had to use it a lot lately, but that's what it looks like. So starting off, I just want to talk about how I even started using this product, because like it says, it is a teething product, but it numbs your mouth, and that's the original reason why I got it. So when I was in high school, I ended up getting my molars taken out, and this is it's a very sad story, but I didn't get the procedure where I went to sleep. I just got like I got the numbing shots in my mouth, and I ended up like not getting one side of my mouth molars taken out and just the other side, because I was a brat. And like, I don't even want to call myself a brat at this point. I just feel like the dentist was very like strong-handed with my mouth, and I didn't like the way that he pulled out my molars on one side, and the other side I was just not going. I was like, nope, get me out of this chair. I will not be getting my molars pulled out on the other side. Like, this is just something I'm not doing. So I ended up still having one side of my molars taken out. And when I went to the dentist, he was like, like your molars will grow in at an angle where it will shift your teeth. And that's why he suggested that I just get my molars taken out and I get braces. So I was just like, I was a stubborn child. I was like, no, I'm not doing any of that. None of that seems like anything that I want to do, so I will not do it. And here I am, 21, using Orajel. So that is my very sad story. I ended up not getting my one side of my molars taken out, and when I was 20, I could feel them kind of start pushing in, and it kind of hurt. And it didn't hurt as bad as it like it started hurting a little whiles ago, but I could feel a little pressure in my mouth, and it kind of would result in like a tiny headache, and it would go away. I would sleep it off. But as of recently, my molars have just been in full push mode, pushing through my gum, hurting. It's been so bad. Sometimes I don't go to class because I'm just like, I can't do this. Like, my mouth hurts too bad. And I call my mom crying. My mom obviously gave me like, you should have listened to me story, and I'm just like, I know. And she was like, just go to get some Orajel. So I was like, okay. And I ended up getting it, and at first, guys, and I'm just going to say this about this product, if you are like dealing with a mouth pain, this product, for me, it became addicting to use, because my mouth would hurt the most at night when I was trying to go to sleep, and I would just, take this, put a little bit of it in the back of my mouth, and I would knock out. And I just want to say that if you are going through pain in your mouth and stuff, just be very careful with this product and try not to become too dependable on it, just because Orajel for me makes me drowsy, and I don't know if I'm the only person, but it makes me feel drowsy and weird. It's like my mouth is numb, so I feel like I need to go to sleep. Should not be the case in a lot of matters. Like, I shouldn't feel the need to go to sleep, but that is actually how I felt, and it's very dangerous to keep depending on something when there's other natural ways to get through it. That's why I haven't been using this as of lately. I found better ways to deal with my pain, but Orajel was just something that I literally, I depended on, the first couple weeks that I started, becoming like seriously like pained in my mouth. So just getting into talking about the product, with this product, less is more. You don't, obviously this little container, I still have it, and it's because Orajel is expensive for it to be the size it is, but that's because you're supposed to use it like a proportion. Like you're not supposed to just squirt out a bunch and just stick it in your mouth. Literally like a little squeeze wherever you're feeling pain in your mouth literally will go a long way. And at first I thought like, you know what, I need a lot, and a lot ended up like me spitting out some of it, which is a waste of product. So don't do that, guys. Just apply a little bit, and if you do happen to need more, like, then at least you didn't spit anything out, or like you weren't like trying to talk with a mouthful of Orajel. So the reason I did love this product, and I still do like it, is just that I try to find other natural ways to get over my pain, is because the fact that I didn't have to use that much. And then also, like I said, it relieved my pain so quickly. Like there were times that I was feeling pain, I put Orajel in, and literally 5 minutes later my mouth was numb and I was just asleep. Like it was just the best feeling to me. I do say be careful though, just because sometimes I found that it can numb my throat, and it feels like my throat is numbed, and it makes it hard for me to swallow, then therefore breathe, and it's just not a fun experience at that point. So just be careful with where you're applying it, because if you get it too close to your throat or somewhere on your tongue and you swallow and then the Orajel just like numbs your throat, that's not a good feeling or something that I suggest anybody to feel. But for the most part, this is a very, very good product. I really do like it. It's just something that has been such a really good blessing in my life, as I would say. But this is just, like I said, the Orajel teething pain medicine, and this is just a cherry flavored